talk about the midterm review, right? I mean, the final review, yeah, midterm. The final exam is coming up tomorrow. And this is a high stake exam, right? You need to pass with a 60% or better. Yeah, you have, if you fail the final, then you fail the immersion program. You have to retake it. If you are a freshman, I would recommend it. I would recommend you to the immersion 3. I also teach immersion 3. Yeah. So okay, so that's so right here. This is our Brightspace course. So you click on this link, and let's get to that. We're gonna go over the instruction from Professor Dose later, right? And he sent out instruction. We're gonna look at it together. Just want to make sure it's gonna be smooth process for you guys tomorrow. So, okay, so let's log into website. This is website. All right, so let's open the website. Later. All right, so he mentioned there's a no help and a help. A couple we're gonna attempt the no help one, right? Because I'm your help. So it's all right. I will help you out. We're gonna go over all the solution together. And with help, if you want to try that, between today and tomorrow morning, that's okay. Feel free to try this. If you have more time, maybe we're gonna look into this as well, and I see any interesting question there. So I will also go over if you have extra time and finish the practice midterm, no help. Okay, no practice final, right? Practice final exam. So let's open this practice final. Let's get started. All right, so this one, okay, let's start with the first one, right? This one is a probably logarithm, expanding the expression as much as possible. So I guess you guys try this, right? Expanding as much as possible. It's always better you try first and then go over the solution so you get most out of it. And also you understand your mistake if you're making any mistake. Okay, let's give a shot. Share screen. There you go. Give it a couple minutes. Well, let's go over the solution here. So first of all, we're gonna turn the denominator z. So 7 root of z, right? It's gonna be turned into z to 1/7. So this is log x6 y over z 1/7. And then multiplication becomes addition, division becomes subtraction. So we will get log 10 x6 plus log 10 y, and then minus this division becomes minus log z 1/7. Log 10 z. Write it. And 1/7. Now, the next thing you're going to put a power in the front, right? Exponent put it in the front, and then so that will give us the final answer log 10 x plus log 10 y minus 1/7 log z. So, any question about this? So, this is a decomposing the logarithm into expanding into more terms. So let's put it back by 6 log x first parentheses plus log z. And because it's log of base 10, right? So you can actually omit the base here, but no problem, right? That's not an issue. Minus 1/7 times log z. Okay. So that's going to be the correct answer, right? And then let's look at the next question. So question number 2. A line is perpendicular to the graph of base containing point 5, -7. Yep. Okay. Yeah, so let's look at this one. Yeah. So we're gonna find the equation for this line, right? Line L. Let's find the equation for this line L. This also appeared in the midterm, right? And you notice that we went over a similar question in the midterm. I guess they're gonna put it in the final again. So maybe a couple minutes, right? And let's go over the solution. Now, first of all, we need to find out the slope for this given line. Let's find the slope for this one first. So basically, you need to get y by itself. So adding 4x on both sides of the equation. So that is minus 3y equals to 4x and 5. Now here, you have to divide another 3 across. And we cancel the 3, y equals to minus 4 over 3 x minus 5 over 3. Now we know the slope for this line number 2, right? Will be the slope. Line number 2 is minus 4 over 3. Now we know slope number 1, when two lines are perpendicular, then m1 times m2 equal to -1. M2 is -4 over 3, and 1 times -4 over 3 equal to -1. So you're going to multiply by the reciprocal, and reciprocal here is maybe -3 over 4, -3/4 times -3/4 here times -3/4 here. So this get cancelled, right? On the right hand side, that slope number one is 3/4. And also it passed through this point right here. The point meaning m1 is 2 3/4 and x1 equal to 5, y1 equal to -7. And we can use point slope formula. Y minus y1 equal to slope. That's x minus x. And from here, we're just finding out 3 numbers and get y by itself. So y minus 7 equal to 3/4 times x minus 5. And on the left hand side, we get y plus 7. On the right hand side distributed, we get 3/4 x minus 3/4 times 5. Maybe 5 over 1, right? So it will be 15 over 4. Now subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. Then eventually cancel this y is by itself. So it's going to be 3/4 x. Now combine those two fraction and any number, minus 15 over 4, minus 7 over 1. And then multiply 4 here, and minus 15 over 4, minus 28 over 4. Combine them, you get minus 43 over 4. So that's the y-intercept, right? Minus 43 over 4. So that's it. Any question about this? Okay, so the answer is y equal to 3/4 x and 3/4 x minus 43 over 4. Okay, so no questions. So let's move on to question 3 then. The following, we get this following problem reflects the right triangle. We just did this yesterday, so it should be familiar to you guys. So let's try this right really quickly. While doing this, I'm calling attendance. Attendance sheet really quickly. Okay, let's start with the, okay, I'm calling attendance right now. Okay. And high tech. Okay, very good. Abra. No, Abra is not here today. Amaya. And the Miljo.
I'm here.
Okay, great. Daniel.
I'm here.
Okay, good. Testimonial.
Here.
Cedar.
I'm here, Mr.
Okay, very good. Ivan.
Here.
Great. And Pam. I'm here. Count.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Victoria is not here, right? Victoria is not here. And Li Shen.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay,
I'm here.
sure, no problem. Guang Yu.
I'm here.
All right, you got it. All right. So very good. So one more day, right? Tomorrow I'll take last attendance and yeah, so good. Now you taking the final exam. And he doesn't say, when you can take the final, I just, you can take the final right away. Tomorrow morning, and we finish that, we can finish early tomorrow. Okay, let's go over the solution. Right. So again, you draw a right triangle. And let's label this, right? So this is A, C, and B. Opposite side of the A is small lowercase a, right? 3. And then B is opposite of angle B. So B equals square root of 7. And C is the opposite of the angle C. So that's what we're looking for here. And we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. Find out the C. C squared equal to A squared plus B squared. So C squared is 3 squared plus square root of 7 squared. And then we're going to get C squared equal to 9 plus 7. And that turned out to be 16. C squared equal to 16. C equals square root of 16. We only keep the positive answer. So C equal to 4. So now we figure out the C, then many things will be straightforward. Which is the basis. Then sine A is, this is angle A right here. Sine A is opposite over hypotenuse, so 3/4. And cosine A is adjacent over hypotenuse, radical 7 over 4. Tangent A is opposite over hypotenuse, right? No, opposite over adjacent. So it'd be 3 over square root of 7. And we get to rationalize this. Radical 7, 3 radical 7 over 7. That's tangent. Cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite, right? So the reciprocal of this sine. So it's 4, 3. Secant is reciprocal of cosine. It'll be 4 over radical 7. And again, we rationalize this denominator. End up with 4 radical 7 over 7. Cotangent is reciprocal of the tangent. So we're going to use the original one. So it's radical 7, or you can do, you can use adjacent over hypotenuse. I mean, over opposite. So it's square root of 7 over 3. Any question about this? Okay, so let's put in all the answers. 3/4 here. Cosine A is square root of 7 over 4. Tangent is sine over cosine, right? So 3 radical 7, 3 square root of 7 over 7. And cosecant is reciprocal of the sine, so 4 over 3. Secant is reciprocal of the cosine, right? So we did 4 times radical 7 over 7. And the cotangent is reciprocal of the tangent. So we do radical 7 over 3. Yep, let's do it. And now let's take a look at this. Solve the following problem. Be sure to make a diagram of the situation for all the given information below. So definitely this is a trigonometry problem, right? So we gotta draw a little diagram here. Draw a little graph. So how long should the escalator be? It is to make angle of 36 with the floor, and I carry people a vertical distance of 24 feet between floors. So this is the elevator, right? Elevator goes like this. So this is the bottom, and then this is the top. 36-degree angle with the floor. So this is the floor. All right, you guys try this. Right? I'll go with this. You try to draw a graph, see if you can figure out this. I'll show you the answer in a bit. Well, let's go over the solution here. So one more time, this is not a, so this, the interesting setting is this elevator is right here, actually. This is elevator. Because it's 436-degree angle with the floor, right? This is the floor. So this angle will be 36 degrees. And we know that it carries people vertical distance of 24 feet. So vertical distance, this is vertical distance, 24 feet. And then we are looking for the length of the elevator, that will be this. And with respect to this angle, 36-degree angle, this is sine 36 degree equal to vertical height 24 feet over the length of the elevator. Let's use L, right? L represent the length, but if you do, you see that's okay, right? Whichever letter you want to use, and we can solve for L. Yeah. So you do cross multiplying, you get sine 36 degree times L equal to 24. Now divide both side equation by sine 36 degree. So cancel that. So L is by itself. Now we're going to use the calculator. Let's go back to calculator and you can see it. Okay. Here, let's go to decimals. And if you calculator, do 24 over sine of 36 degree, right? So you put in degree measurement 36. It gives us 40.8. If you run into one decimal place, it's 40.8. So let's go back. Answer is 40, approximately 40.8 feet. Any question about this? $40.8. No
I
question
think it
about
will be 40.
oh yeah, it is
Nearest.
whole number, right, exactly. So 41. Exactly. Yeah. I thought only 10 place, but no. You know, yeah, the nearest whole number, you're right. So it'll be 41 feet. I should overlooked. I thought this like yesterday. So okay, 41 feet to be exact. And let's move on to the next question. Okay, next question is simplify as forward as much as possible. So let's try this one more time. Okay, let's go over solution. Again, so you're gonna multiply everything by LCD. Both top and bottom, right? So on the top LCD is x squared. Bottom is also x squared, so that's consistent. That means LCD, general LCD overall is x squared. To multiply the top by x squared, multiply the bottom by x squared. Now distribute it to get 4x squared minus 1. On the bottom is 4x squared. And we distribute that 4 over x times x squared, right? The fraction x going to x squared, x. So this is 4x. Last term, x squared, 1 over x squared times x squared is 1. And we still get a factor, right? The top is the difference of two squares. It's 2x. This is 2x squared minus 1 squared. So it's 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. And the bottom is it's a perfect square, right? You also factor it. It's 2x, 2x, 1, 1, right? Both positive. And yeah, if you cross multiply, you get 4x. Minus 2x plus 2x, 4x. So that means it's 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. And we cancel the common factor, right? This one get cancelled. And it's 2x minus 1 over 2x plus 1. So that's the answer. Any question about this? I'll do it. Okay, let's move on to the next question, right? These two containing points parallel to this line. So this is a parallel line. Try this. All right, let's go over solution. A parallel line to this line. So for this line, the slope is -3. So you isolate the y, you get y equal minus 3x minus 5. So that means slope. For line number 2 is -3. And for line number 1, because they are parallel, so slope are the same, right? M1 equal to 2, it's also equal to -3. Now given the slope, M1 equal to 3, x1 equal to 4, y1 equal to 2, then use point slope formula 1 slope minus x1. And we get the result, right? So y minus 2 equal to -3 minus 4. It's really 1 minus 2, we get minus 3x, having 12. X2 from both sides of equation, y equal to minus 3x, having 14. Y equal to minus 3x, having 14. Any question? Okay, so now the next question, a guy wire, a guy wire runs from the ground to this, so this is guy wire from the cell tower, right? This is cell tower. Wire is attached to the cell tower 150 feet above the ground. The angle formed between the wire and the ground is 46 degrees. Between the wire, yeah, this is the wire and the ground. So angle theta is 46 degrees. How long is the guy wire? This guy wire. How far from the base the tower is the guy wire anchored to the ground? So this is the ground. You also need to find out this. All right, so I'll let you try really quickly. right, let's go over the solution. So first of all, we need to look for a couple of things. This is guide wire, so I'm assuming this is C, right? This is right angle here, and then assuming this is B. We use a solve for B and C. So we know A, right? A is 150 feet. So if you do sine theta, right? Sine theta is 46 degrees. Sine 46 degrees be the opposite 150 times over C. And from there, we can solve for C. So cross multiply and then get the sine 46 degrees and C equal to 150. And then divide both sides of the equation by sine 46 degrees. We're gonna get C, right? Then we wanna write one decimal place. Go back to the cut of the 150 divided by sine 46. Then we end up with the 208.5. We run it to one decimal place, 208.5. 208.5. And then in order to get B, we are also going to use we can use tangent, right? We can do tangent. Tangent 46 degrees equal to the opposite 150 over B. And from there, let's make it a proportion, cross multiplying, solve for B. So tangent 46 degrees times B equals to 150. And divide tangent 46 on both sides of the equation. And cancel that. So B is equal to approximately equal to 150 by 246. One more time, go back to calculate the 156 over 146 degrees. And then we end up with the 144.9. 144.9. One 144.9 feet. So see the guide wire will be 208.5, and the base of the tower to the anchor to the wire and to the guide wire anchor to the ground, and that's going to be 144.9.
Can we also use the
Mhm.
A square plus B square equal to C square formula, Pythagorean formula to find number B? Like
Yes.
the second.
Do you get the same thing? Do you get the same number? 144.9.
It's slightly different. 145.5. I think it's because of the
145.
decimal place.
Okay. In that case, yeah, I mean, I can show you. It'll be square root. Your answer will be square root because you run this, right? Okay, because of running, you see here we run it out. So if you want to use that formula, you're going to use the exact number, meaning you're going to take the whole thing. And then I'm going to show you. I see what you mean. So square root, it will be 208. So you're going to take this whole thing instead of 208.5, right? Otherwise,
Okay.
the answer will be slightly different. Okay, and then minus 150 squared. Now you see it's that same thing, right?
Yes.
So that's the thing. So be careful about this. So it's easier. It's actually, in this case, it's easier. Also, it's less chance of making mistake using the trig identities, right? In this case, we're using tangent. We guarantee we end up with a more accurate answer in this case. But yeah,
Okay,
very
got
good, very good, very good comment. And also, this is something happens in a lot of different kind of like settings. Due to random, you may lose some accuracy.
Yes,
All right.
thank you.
Okay, no problem. It's great. So let's go back and put in answer 208.5 and 144.9. Okay, let's do it. And next question, question 9. You try it first. Okay, let's go over solution. So first of all, you're gonna get rid of this negative sign. So by using the reciprocal of 4 over 25. So it'll be 25 over 4 half. Half we turn into square root, right? Square root of 25 over 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 4 is 2. So 5 over 2. And that's the answer. Answer is 5 over 2. Okay, so now you try this solving this inequality, right? That's 2k plus 6 greater equal to 8. Let's go with solution. There are two sets of solution. First set is 2k plus 6 could be greater or equal to 8, or 2k plus 6 will be less equal to -8. Either one of these, when you put absolute value, they both become greater or equal to 8. And so then we can solve for 2k, right? So -6 here, -6. And so that 2k is greater or equal to 2. And divide 2 from both sides equation, and get k is greater or equal to 1. First solution. Second solution, -6 from both sides inequality. And most of the time, we can treat an inequality same way as equation, right? Except when you divide or multiply by negative number from both sides of the inequality, then we have to flip the sign. So 2k that's equal to -14. Now divide 2, that's okay, right? Because 2 is positive, so the inequality will stay as is. Okay, we do not flip the inequality symbol here. Cancel the 2, k is less equal to -7. So two solutions, that's equal to -7, and then greater equal to 1. So let's go back to this. We still need to graph it, right? So it's less. First answer, that's correct answer. Less equal -7, so we'll do this. So start from this. -7, now we're gonna draw this. No, yeah, no. So have this draw, right? Draw this. Yeah, so you got that. Now including this -7 here, and also for the 1, we also including the 1, but it's greater equal to 1, so move a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to draw it everything to the right. Okay, and let's do it. Yep. All right, so let's try question 11. Write the properties of the exponent to simplify the expression. Maybe you try both questions, right? Try 11 and 12, and then we're going to go over both. Okay, let's go over both questions. For the first question. So you can get rid of this negative sign by flipping the top and bottom. The bottom goes on top, x -2, y to the 6, and the bottom is x -8, y to the second. Now become +2. Now we can simplify using the bigger power minus smaller power, right? So for x, it will be -2 -8 minus -8. And we get a +6. And for y, it will be 6 -2. After that, we square both. So you get x is 2 plus 8 minus 2 plus 8, +6. And y to the 4th. Now square distributing x 6 times 2 is 12. Y 4 times 2, that's 8. So that's question 11. Question 12. We're going to multiply by the complex conjugate. Here the conjugate will be 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7. Now on the bottom, we will get a difference of 2 squared will be 3 squared minus 7i squared. On the top, it's a perfect square, or if you want to FOIL this, that's okay. It's going to be 9 minus 2 times 3 times 7i plus 7i squared. And after that, we just simplify as much as possible. So 9 minus 2142i and adding 49i squared. Bottom will be 9 minus 49i squared. And I squared is -1. I'll get 9 minus 42i plus 49 times -1, that's a -49, right? So 49 times 1. On the bottom, 9 minus 49 times -1. And we end up with the 9 minus 42i minus 49 over 9 plus 49, 58. Now combine the numbers, 9 minus 49, that's minus 40, minus 42i over 58. And that's not done yet, but I'm still gonna simplify. So there's split into two fractions, minus 40 over 58, minus 42 over 58, I. Now reduce both numbers by 2, we get minus 20 over 29, minus 21 over 29. So that's really fine answer. Any question about this? So this one is actually 12 y to the 8th. And this one is minus 20 over 29 minus 21 over 29. Yeah, that's good. Now let's look at the second data. Let's try 2 more, right? 13 and 14. All right, let's go over solution. So here x equal to 6 to the second power, so 6 squared, 36. And if the secant is pi over 3, then cosine beta is reciprocal of the secant, 1 over secant beta. So that's going to be reciprocal 1 over pi over 3, so 3 over 5. You can just use reciprocal 3 over 5 of this fraction here. Okay, 36 and also 3 over 5. And let's look at the question 15. 15 first. Condense this logarithm expression into single, and we get 2 right now, turn into 1. All right, so first of all, you put back the exponent. So we get log 2 x to the 7 plus log 2 y to the 6. Now addition will turn into multiplication, so log 2 x7 times y to the 6. So that's how we condense it into one logarithm. So log, yeah, we need to log 2. So you go to the function here and then find the log 3. This one has log with the base 2 x to the 7 and y to the 6. Now let's look at 16, right? It's about the interest problem. And we did a similar one in return. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's go over this. To get a 8,000 to invest part of money in the account is 6%. So assuming X amount of money in a 6% account, Y amount of money in a 12% account. If you add up those two, you get adding X adding Y would be $8,000. And the second equation comes from the total interest. Total interest $600. So 6% account times principal. Interest rate times principal gives us the interest from this account. 6% X. 4% coming from the other account. 12% times Y. And now we end up with this X plus Y equals 8,000. And then convert the percentage to decimal, you'll get 0.06 X plus 0.12 Y. That's 600. Now, there are so many different ways of solving this, right? So one way to do it is from the first equation, get Y by itself, Y equal to 8,000 minus X. And I can wrap this and put into the second equation and solve for X first. So you get 0.06 and 0.12 times 8,000 minus X. That is equal to 600. And it's really, we get 0.06 plus 0.12 times 8,000, that's 960 minus 0.12x. And that's equal to 600. Now combine like terms, 0.06x minus 0.12x is minus 0.06x. Having 960, that's equal to 600. Then subtract 960 from both sides of the equation. Okay, minus 0.06x equal to minus 360. Now you divide both sides of the equation by minus 0.06. Minus 0.06. And cancel that coefficient x by itself. When you divide that, you get 6,000. So x equals 6,000 and y equal to 8,000 minus 6,000, 2,000. So 6% account 6,000, 12% account 2,000. Any question about this? Yeah, let's look at question 17. Right? Slope and y-intercept. So given this equation on the line, on the slope, find the y-intercept. And then we're going to graph it from there. And also given the slope of any line perpendicular to the given line. All right, guys, we're gonna take a 30 minutes break, come back and at the 10:45. Let's go back to the question. Okay, so let's go over this question right here. Right, so first of all, we need to figure out the slope. So you're gonna isolate that 2y equals 18, isolate minus 2y, so it's 3x. Both side equation minus 2y equals 3x and 18. Then you divide -2 across. Cancel that y equal to 3/2x minus 9. And right here we figure out slope and the y-intercept at the same time, right? So slope is 3/2. Y-intercept is when x equal to 0. And y value equal to 9. So 0, 9. Once you have those two, then we can graph this. Okay, let's go back here. 3/2. And then 0, 9. Okay, minus 0. So in order to graph this, you need to put a point. First of all, let's put on the 0, 9, right? 0, 9 is y-intercept is located on the y-axis. Then utilize the slope. Okay, so slope is 3/2. 3/2 meaning you're gonna go up 3 units, go to the right 2 units, right? Okay, let me see if I can shrink a little bit. 0.1, 0, 9, 0.2. We can get another point, right? 5.3, no. Okay, so any other points? Let's see. Let's put in 2 here, 1 here. Yes. Let's put in x value equal to 2. So I guess we're gonna need another point because the slope pi is not working very well. It will be easy if you just use the slope, right, to generate another one, but it was capped right here, so we wouldn't be able to use that. So you need a 2 points, I guess. So going back here, in this case, we're gonna use when x equal to 2, and the y value is be putting 2 here, 3 minus 9, which is -6. Second point, first point is 0, 9. Second point is 2, -6. Yep. So 0, -9. What did I overlooked? This is -9 again. I missed the sign. -9 here. And then the other point will be, then we can use the slope. In case 2, -6. If you want to do that, not a problem. So let's go back here. 0, -9. Yeah, overlooked. But I forget the sign over there. So this is now right. I will clear everything. Okay. And we're gonna put 0, -9, right? -9 is here. So that's putting the first point on -9. And next thing we're gonna use a slope, right? Meaning 3/2 means you go up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. You stop at -6, and then you go to the right 2 units. Positive 2 on the bottom is 2 units. So go up 3 units, stop at -6, go to the right 2 units, get another point. Now we're gonna put in a line connecting those two. Maybe 0.3, just 2 points. Yeah, second point is 2, -6, right? That's what we 2, -6. That's what we're putting over there. And let's connect the line. Yep, so we get a line right here. And given the slope of any line perpendicular to the given line, so that it will be negative reciprocal, so it will be negative 2/3. 2/3. So that should do it. All right, now you guys can try question 18, 19. Let me see how many more questions. We have 33. Okay. 18 and 19. And let's go over the solution. So for the first one, the LCD is 26. LCD is 4x minus 5 times 5x. And for the first expression, so we multiply both top and bottom by 5x minus 4. 5x plus 4. Second one, we multiply both top and bottom by 4x minus 5. Now they have the same denominator. So turn into one fraction, 5x minus 4, 4x minus 5. For the other two together, x times 5x minus 4 minus 2 times 4x minus 5. And I'm going to distribute it, combine like terms, distribute it 5x squared minus 4x minus ax. The bottom 5x minus 4, 4x minus 5. By like terms, middle product is 5x squared minus 12x. Adding and 5x minus 4, 4x minus 5. Let's see if we can factor the top, right? Minus 4x. Yep. Okay, 5x. X. 10 and 2. No, it's not factorable, so it's okay. So leave it as is. So this is the answer. And then we look at the 19, right? 19 is an acute angle, meaning theta is greater than 0, right? Less than 90. That means it's located in the first quadrant, right? Acute means this. And so sine was positive. So you do the Pythagorean category, sine theta squared plus cosine theta squared equal to 1. So the sine theta squared plus 2 over 5 squared sine theta squared plus 4 over 25 equal. And 1 is 25 over 25. And from here we get sine theta squared equal to 1 minus 4 over 25. And sine theta squared is equal to 21 over 25. Now we're taking the square root, keep only the positive answer. So the square root of 21 over 25. And simplify, we get radical 21 over 5. Any question about this? So the first one, 5x squared minus 12x. At 18, that will be the top. Bottom will be 4x 5 times 5x minus 4. And this one will be square root of 21 over 5. Positive one. Okay, so that's 19. Now solve each equation using the quadratic formulas. Try this really quickly. So the quadratic formula looks like that. X equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay. If some of the questions don't have the real answer, you should find a complex solution, right? So both real solution and complex solution is possible. All right, guys, let's go over the solution here. For first one, part A equal to 1, B is -2, C is 2. So using the quadratic formula, x equal to minus -2 plus minus square root of b squared, which is -2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. I guess all of them are complex solutions. Divide by 2 times 1, 2. So this is 2 plus minus 4 minus 8 over 2. And this is 2 plus minus radical -4 over 2. And -4, you're going to write it as -4 times -1. -1 is I squared, so it's 4I squared. 2 plus minus 4I squared over 2 is 2 plus minus 2I over 2. So it's 1 plus minus I. So this is for pi. Pi A is 1, B is -2, C is 17. So x equal to minus C plus minus radical B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So it will be minus -2 again, plus minus B squared -2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 18 over 2 times 1. Which is 2 plus minus 4 minus 68 over 2. And this is 2 plus minus radical minus 64. Again, -64 equal to 64 times 1, 64 times 5 squared over 2. So 2 plus minus AI over 2, and dividing to that is 1 plus minus 4i. That's the second one. C plus C. A is 1, B is 2, C is 2. So x equal to -2 plus minus square root b squared and 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 over 2. So the x equal to -2 plus minus square root of 4. We did it earlier, right? We did this. And that's going to be 2i. So we get -2 plus minus 2i over 2. We divide into that, we get -1 plus minus I. Any question about this? All three of them have a complex solution. So first one here is 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Second one is 1 plus minus 4i. 1 plus minus 4i. 1 plus 4i. 1 minus 4i. That's 1 minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 minus I. Yes, so that will be the answer for this. Next question is solving the equation using factoring. Okay, you can try 21, 22 together. Okay, let's go over solution for the first one. You subtract 2x and 3 from both sides of the equation. So you get 3x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And then you cannot factor this, so they use a quadratic formula as indicated. So the x4 minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 2ac over 2a. And a here is 3, b is -2, c is 3. So x equal to minus -2 plus minus 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times 3 over 2a. 2 times 3 is 6. Now end up with 2 plus minus 4 minus 36 over 6 plus minus -32. And -32 is 32 times -1, so 32i squared over 6. So 2 plus minus 32 square 32i squared over 6. And 36, 32, we're going to break down as 16 times 2. 16 is the maximum appropriate number, goes into 32. So the 2 plus minus 4 square root 2i over 6. We reduce it, we get 1 plus minus 2 radical 2i over 3. So that's any question about this? So second 22, just to base to the exponent, not to make the second power, and I'm gonna make it become 1 over the second 1 over 81. So let's put in the answer 1 plus minus fraction first, 1 plus first, 2 radical 2, 5 over 3. And the other one will be 1 minus 2 radical 2 over 3. This one is 1 over 81. Now let's try question 23 first. Yeah, 23 first. There's this complex fraction. All right, let's go over this. First of all, you're gonna turn this division into multiplication. So 2x squared minus 7x over 4x squared plus ax and 3. Now, after that, we're gonna start factoring. So 2x squared minus plus 19x adding 9 over x squared minus 25. And the first one, after this, will be 2x x minus 5 here, 3 here. Cross multiplying, we get 3x minus 10x, h minus 7x. So middle term is confirmed. That's good. That is 2 factors, 2x plus 3, x minus 5. The bottom, we're going to do 2x and then 2x, 3 and 1. Cross multiplying, we get 2x plus 6x. That is it, plus 8x. Then middle term. So the 2 factors, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3. Now, this one we can factor as well, 2x, x, 9 and 1. Cross multiplying, you get 1x plus 18x, that is 19x, positive. Middle term confirmed. And we get 2 factors, 2x plus 1, x plus 9. Denominator is the difference of 2 squares, so x plus 5, x minus 5. You start canceling the common factors, common terms. This one get cancelled, 2x plus 1 get cancelled, x minus 5 get cancelled. So eventually we end up with x plus 9 over x plus 1. Okay. Any question about this? X plus 9, x plus. Next question, 26. You are skiing down in mountain. I think we did something similar, right? Yesterday. Let's see. What is the angle of elevation from the base to the top of the mountain? All right, let's go over this. You're skiing down the mountain with a vertical height of 1900 feet. So this is the skiing route, right? And then the vertical height is 1900 feet. Vertical height is always perpendicular to the ground. And what is angular elevation from the base? If the distance from the top of the mountain, this is the top of the mountain to the base. This is the base, 3,800 feet. I want to find out this angle, right? Angle elevation will be this angle theta. So you do sine, right? Sine of the angle sine theta equal to opposite 1900 over 3,800. It turned out to be half. And the theta must be 30-degree angle. Sine equal to half, or you can use a calculator, right? You do inverse of sine of half. And you get the 30 degrees of pi over 6 on the calculator. So the answer here will be 30 degrees. Now, next question, we want to find the reference angle here with a theta equal to 290 degrees. Let's see which one is the reference angle. So maybe you draw a little graph really quickly. So you can locate this angle from the Cartesian system. All right, let's look at the solution. So if you draw it by hand, because this angle theta 299 degree is greater than 270 degree or less than 360 degree, that means it must be located in the fourth quadrant. So it's going to be somewhere here. Right? So this angle right here is 299 degree. And then the reference angle is going to be this. It's going to be this angle, theta. So theta prime. This theta is 299 degrees. So it's going to be theta prime. It's going to be 360 degrees minus 299 degrees. And this turned out to be 61 degrees. This angle is 61 degrees. 61. And then the correct answer in this case will be the last option here. This is a reference angle. Or any question about this? All right, let's look at 26, 27. Let's go over the solution. For the first one, we're gonna factor the denominator to be a plus 10, a plus 1, and write a on top. Second one minus a, and a plus 9, a plus 1. For the LCD, look for LCD first, including every single term. So a plus 10, a plus 9, a plus 1. So for the first term, we will multiply by a plus 9. Second one, you multiply by a plus 10. Then it's the same denominator for keep this. Now I'll distribute the first expression, you get 9a squared, adding 81a minus aa times aa squared minus aa times 10, 88. I get a squared plus a over a plus 10, a plus 9, and a plus 1. But you get a factor by GCF on top, you get a plus 1. And then we're going to cancel another common factor. So we cancel a plus 1. Then the answer is a over a plus 10 times a plus 9. So a over a plus 10. A plus 9. And 27, you're going to solve for each. So a equal to pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. First of all, subtract pi r squared from both sides of the equation. Cancel that 2 pi r h for a minus pi r squared. Then divide 2 pi r from both sides of the equation. H is by itself, a minus pi r squared. Over 2 pi r. Any question about this? A over a plus 1. A times a plus 8. That will do it. And second one, again, we need a fraction. A minus pi r squared. Go to symbol. A pi r squared over 2 pi r. Yep, so that's 27. Then let's look at the 28. Okay, let's go over the solution. So the LCD for the top is a squared b squared. On the bottom is the same thing, a squared b squared. So multiply the top by a squared b squared. Bottom is the same, a squared b squared. Now this one multiplied by a squared b squared, cancel b squared, we get 2a squared. Second term multiplied by a squared b squared, cancel ab, we get minus 17ab. Last term, cancel a squared, we get 9b squared. On the bottom, very similar. Cancel b squared, get 2a squared. Second term, cancel ab, we get 19ab. Third term, cancel a squared, get 9b squared. Now we'll try to factor the top and bottom. The top will be 2a8. For 9b, will be minus 9b here plus b. If we cross multiplying, we get minus 18ab plus ab, which is 1ab. So it's minus 17ab. That's good, right? So the two factors, 2a plus b, 2a, and a minus 9b. On the bottom, very similar factor trinomial 2a and a, 9b, all positive. If you cross multiplying, you get 18ab plus ab, 1ab, so it's 19ab. So the common factor is 2a plus b, and then a plus 9b. So to cancel the common factor, 2a plus b, so it's a minus 9b, a plus 9b. So that's the final answer. Any question? Got a fraction a minus 9b, a plus 9b. That's good. That's the next question. So suppose Tom has 15 coins totaling $2.20. It has only dimes and quarters, right? How many of each type does it have? So try this first, and then we'll go over solution in a second. Okay, let's go over this. We have two type of coins, quarters and dimes. Dimes here, quarters. If you create a table like this, right, and first one is a quantity. Second one is a dollar value, dollar amount, dollar value. Then assuming we have X amount of the dimes, Y amount of the quarters, and each dime is 10 cents, right? So it'll be 10 times X. Each quarter is 25 cents, so it'll be 25 times Y. And if you're adding X and Y, you get 15 coins in total. And if you're adding the dollar value in cents, right? And we're gonna end up $210. So 10X plus 25Y equal 210 cents. It's easier to use cents as a unit, so we don't have to deal with the decimal number. We eliminate the decimal number. So here we have a couple different ways. I haven't shown you how to solve using the elimination method, right? So you can multiply first equation by 25, and you'll get 25x plus 25y. The reason why I multiply by 25 because this one has 25y. We're going to eliminate 25y. So that's why I did that, multiply by 25y. We can multiply by 10x as well. But I'll show you, this is a lot easier if you multiply by 25. This is 375, right? 15 times 25, 375. And we get 10x plus 25y equal to 210. Now you subtract it, subtract equation 1 by equation 2. And then we're going to eliminate the y term. So you get 10, 15x equal to 375 minus 210, that's 165. I'll divide 15 from both sides of the equation. X equal to 11. Yes, so x11, x plus 1 equals 15. If x is 11, and y equals 4. 11 plus 1 equals 15. And it's 11 minus 11, y equals 4. You get 11 dimes and then 4 quarters. So that's going to be the answer. Any question? And we can double check, right? 11 dimes are $1.10. 4 quarters is $1. Combine them, you get $2.10. That means this combination is a correct combination. Okay, and that's it. So we get the 30 and 31, you can do it together, right? 31 is fairly straightforward. 30 is also straightforward. Okay, complete this really quickly. Now we go over the solution in a second. Okay, let's go over solution. First one, square x times square x is x. Then square x times 8 square x. And adding 9 times square x, 9 square x. And 9 times 8 is 72. Combine the middle two terms, the x plus 17 square x and 72. And the 31, using the reciprocal property, cosecant x is reciprocal of the sine x. So reciprocal of the 0, right? 0 over 1 become 1 over 0, and that's undefined. So the first one is undefined. Any number over 0 is undefined. And then the second one, reciprocal of half is 2 over 1, but it's 2. Third one, reciprocal of radical 2 over 2 is 2 minus radical 2. And rationalize the denominator. So 2 radical 2 over 2. And so the 2 is radical 2. The third one is a reciprocal of the radical 3 over 2. So 2 over radical 3. Multiply radical 3, both top and bottom. And then we get 2 radical 3 over 3. Last one, 1 over 1, it becomes 1. Reciprocal of 1 over 1 is 1. Yeah, it's pretty much all the answers. This is x plus 17 square x plus 72. Second one is undefined first. Second one, the second one is 2. Third one is square root 2. And then fourth one is 2 times square root 3 over 3. And last one is 1. 31 and 32 and 33. Let's just finish those, and then we're going to wrap up the review. And let's go over a solution for the question 33, where both sides of the equation. So on the left-hand side, I will get y minus 1. Square root and square offset each other. And on the right-hand side, y minus 1 square will be y square, 2y adding 1. Now subtract y, adding 1. Y adding 1 on both sides of the equation. Y squared minus 3y adding 2 equals 0. Then factor trinomial, you get y minus 2, y minus 1. And y minus 2 equals 0. You get first solution, y minus 1 equals 0, second solution. Y equal to 2, and y equal to 1. Both solutions are good solution. We can check it. So putting the 2, you get square root of 2 minus 1, that's 1. And on the right hand side is 2 minus 1, that's also 1. Y equal to 1. So this is a clear solution. And second one, square root of 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1. Both 0. So equal 0. The second solution is also good. Smaller value 1, bigger value 2. And last one, 33, using long division, 7y cubed minus 29y squared minus 32y, adding 64 divided by 7y minus 8. And now from the scratch, first of all, I'll make this going to 7y cubed. You get y squared here, and multiply y squared by 7y, get 7y cubed. Minus y squared times negative 8 is minus 8y squared. Subtract it and cancel the leading term. And minus 29y squared plus 8 is minus 21y squared. Bring down minus 32y. Now 7y going to minus 21y squared. You get minus 3y. Negative 3y times 7y minus 21y squared. And 3y times negative 8 is 24y. And subtract it. Then we cancel the leading term. Minus 32y adding a minus 24, that's minus 56y. Bring down 64. Now 7y going to minus 56y, that's minus 8. So negative 8 times 7y minus 56y. And then negative 8 times negative 8 is 64. This one, we cancel everything. So this is the exact solution, meaning no remainder. So the answer, portion short answer. This is the answer. Y squared minus 3y minus 8. Any question about this? 1 or 2? The last one is y squared. Minus 3y minus 8. And I will do it. I'm going to submit the assignment, right? You guys should do the same thing so you can get that 5%. So you can unlock the other. It's all good, right? No. And once you submit one of them, question 6 now. Let's see. Oh, we didn't do question 6. We skipped it. So forget to do question 6, but that's okay, right? You can multiply everything by 8. And everything else we did is correct, right? No mistake. Yep. It's all good. Question 1 we didn't do. Nope. Question 1 is not, oh, I see. They want to put back the 10, but that's not necessary. Okay, so, yeah, question 1, I guess they want you to put in the base 10 should be there. Yeah, so, in the final exam, make sure you put in the base 10. I forgot to use that. This is equivalent, though, but when they code it this way. So you have to put in the exact answer, otherwise mark it wrong. Okay, what else? Yeah, everything else is right. No mistake. Okay. And if you want to try another version, right, you can do a new randomization. And then it show give you another version, a question, but similar version. And you can redo it. But we're not going to do that. That's okay. Let's go back to let's just take a look at see if the other one is unlocked. You just yes, now it's unlocked. You see, this final lockdown browser file upload. The assignment restriction has been met, right? So it's good. And launch lockdown browser. Let me see. If let me to launch the lockdown browser here. You must achieve 5% or higher on this assignment access 56 final exam. You must achieve file upload practice. File upload trial.
You can't launch the lockdown browser when Zoom is open.
When Zoom is open, okay. So that means tomorrow we're not gonna meet them, right? Because if it doesn't, I guess we're gonna meet first, and then I let you guys go afterwards. If you have any question about, I'm still gonna be here answering questions. So we had to log out, so you don't have to join Zoom meeting tomorrow. But no, so if you need to meet with me tomorrow, right? Just join the Zoom meeting. And if you have any question, I'm more than happy to go over your question from if it's from review, final exam review. I'm more than happy to go over that before you take the actual final. But if you do not have any question, you want to jump right to the final exam, then yeah, so we can't meet the other two. Okay. I'll be here though, if you need to see me and talk to me and join the Zoom meeting. And otherwise, you just can just jump right to the final exam. So after we finish today's meeting, you guys can try this, right? Complete this file upload task, get that 5% so you can unlock the final exam for tomorrow. Okay, any question about this? I know, right? It's just I think we should be maybe they should improve it later, and we can open Zoom and then also that's why maybe they really want you to upload your solutions, right? Your solution. This is the final exam, right? This is the one. So tomorrow when you log in here, you're gonna open this and then make sure, right, upload all the notes. So I will, if let's say you fail by 5 points, you get 55% of final exam, I will look into your note. If you pass, then I won't look at your notes, right? There's no need for that. If they say you get 60% or better, don't worry, I won't look into your notes. You got it, you passed the course. But if you get anything less than, anything close to, 60%, let's say 50 to 59%, I will look into your notes, see if I can give you some partial credit from your note. And I will update your score, right, for your final exam score. Yeah. All right. Now let's quickly go over that. Let's go to the email he sent us. Let's just go over all of that. before we end the class. Okay, let's go here. We sent a couple email this morning. Okay. Let's look at that. This is the first email we sent. Let's look at that. So there are two Math 56 practice. We did one of them with no help, no help. The other one, if you want to try before tomorrow, feel free to do that. And your Math 56 final exam will appear in the testing course on Thursday, right? July 25th. So you can do it now. It will be available tomorrow morning. And this is the one, right? This is the actual final. Yeah. And don't forget to do the file upload practice, right? Trial Math 56 final lockdown browser file upload before tomorrow. I should do it right away after we finish the section right now. Do that. Practice. Yeah. This examination are excellent tools that we prepare for the final. When you work on curated practice final exam 6, no help. Put yourself in a testing environment, no notes, no additional help. And what problem you started with and how you perform. Once you know that, you can attack those problems on multiple fronts. Meaning you can try multiple versions of this, right? Practice it, master that. Yeah, I just go over everything, pretty much every question there. Time review before the exam. Like you need tutoring, I go to this upswing.io as a tutoring section. Academic coaching sections is basic tutoring. If you need additional help, contact Professor Dawes. Include your full name, course section, instructor, if you need help. Okay. So this is it. So that's it. And then that's the other email he sent. Anything important there. Okay, lockdown browser trial exam assignment. This required trial assignment is designed to prepare you for your actual. So you can basically upload the notes from the practice final exam we did today into this. You must download and use a lockdown browser for this assignment. This is the one. You need to get a 5% or better. Okay, file upload. Step 2, take the trial exam assignment. To access the assignment, first follow the instruction, download lockdown browser. So do that. After successfully downloading lockdown browser, you can start the trial assignment battle. The trial exam is time. Know that after an hour, the trial assignment will start. Most likely, not need 1 hour to complete it, and accordingly, 3 submissions are allowed on this trial assignment. If you like to additional assignment submission, there's new randomization on the bottom of the assignment. The assignment includes a file upload question, which will you have to upload the file right, for that question. Download free app called Can Scanner. Take photos and like handwritten word. Number your work in order, right? So keep it organized. When you submit the notes tomorrow, if you keep it organized, it'll be much easier for me to assign the partial credit and then to help you pass the course if necessary, if you did not get a 60% or better. So your professor instructions, and we're doing that right now. Yeah. Upload web assigned directly through file upload questions. Connect the device using USB and the device charger to your computer to access the CAM scanner folder on your device. So you probably need to connect using the USB. You can also upload a PDF file of your work to cloud such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. When web assignment must show your work, each submission by uploading the work through the file upload question. Your work must be contained in one file because you can only upload maximum of one file. So for tomorrow's final exam, you can only upload. So you need to take picture of all your work keep in order, right? And also upload, scan into one PDF and upload it. Email the PDF file of the handwritten work to yourself and upload it in the file, upload practice. This assignment does not require lockdown browser. You can exit lockdown browser in order to download the file to your computer. Yeah, that's another one, right? Another file there, which is this one. This is the one, is it? This is the one, but I think that's going to be open tomorrow at 9:50 p.m. And let's say you fail to, worst case scenario, right? If you cannot upload your PDF file and fail to, you feel like you may fail the final, and if you email your PDF file of your work to me directly, right? Email the PDF file to my email directly. That would be the last like alternative. So I have your PDF file, and I can look into that. Email the PDF file. Also, I will create a Brightspace Dropbox. So actually, I'm gonna do that right now while you are here. So I'm going to go to our Brightspace course and create a Dropbox there. So if you want to upload a file in our Dropbox, feel free to do that. Okay, so go here. This is our course. Login in the new window. So go back here. I'm gonna create Dropbox down below here. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to content. And here I will create a module for the final exam PDF file. This is kind of like the backup plan, right? If you cannot upload the PDF file in the website, then this is kind of like the backup plan. Okay. So you should not use this if you upload that already in the website successfully. So I'll create an assignment here. And it's called create new assignment. So it's called a file submission, right? Final exam. PDF file submission. Please submit it as one PDF file. And create insert, right? So now you have this is the Dropbox. If you click on it, and you can upload the PDF file and then submit your file here. Just add attachment, upload, and then submit, right? That's all. Very straightforward. Any question about this? Again, if you go back to our course home, scroll down all the way to the bottom, you see final exam PDF file upload, click on it, then click on this link, then add attachment, submit. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything for today. Do you guys have any questions? Okay, so if you do not have any question, then I'm gonna end the section here.